Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is company. It's an A1 level noun, and it means being with someone or a business. So let's dive right in. Company, as a noun, primarily refers to two things. First, it can mean the state of being with someone or having someone with you. It's about companionship and shared presence. For example, I enjoy the company of my friends. In this sense, company suggests a pleasant and social interaction. Second, and perhaps more commonly, company refers to a business organization. Think of it as a group of people working together to achieve a common goal, usually to provide goods or services. For example, she works for a large tech company. Now, let's explore some synonyms for company. When we're talking about being with someone, words like companionship, friendship, and fellowship can be used. For example, instead of saying I appreciate your company, you could say I appreciate your companionship. Or, I find great fellowship in my book club. Another option is friendship, as in their friendship began many years ago. When referring to a business, some synonyms include firm, corporation, and enterprise. For instance, instead of saying he started his own company, you could say he started his own firm or he founded a successful enterprise. Alternatively, she is the CEO of a multinational corporation. These synonyms offer slightly different nuances, but they all convey the idea of a business entity. Now, let's look at antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of company. When we're talking about being with someone, antonyms would include solitude, isolation, and loneliness. For example, instead of enjoying someone's company, you might experience solitude. She enjoys the solitude of her own home. Or, he felt a sense of isolation after moving to a new city. Alternatively, the feeling of loneliness overwhelmed her. When referring to a business, it's a little trickier to find a direct antonym. But we can think about the opposite of a large, organized company, which might be something like a sole proprietorship, where one person runs the business, or simply being self-employed. You could say, instead of working for a company, he became self-employed. Or, she transitioned from a large corporation to a sole proprietorship to have more control. So, how can you use company in everyday life? Well, if you're feeling lonely, you might say, I could really use some company right now. Or, if you're starting a business, you might announce, I'm excited to announce the launch of my new company. You can also use it in phrases like keep me company, which means to stay with someone so they're not alone. For example, can you keep me company while I wait for the bus? Here are some more examples of company in sentences and phrases. The company has announced record profits this year. I always enjoy her company at parties. He works as a consultant for a software company. The best company is someone who makes you laugh. She is in good company now. Misery loves company. The company meeting is scheduled for 2 p.m. tomorrow. She enjoys the company of her dog while working from home. The travel company offers a wide range of vacation packages. The company is committed to sustainable business practices. He started his company with just a small loan. The company is facing increased competition. She climbed the corporate ladder and is now the company vice president. The company picnic is always a fun event. He left the company to pursue other opportunities. The company's stock price has increased substantially. I hope you can keep me company on my walk. The company is expanding its operations overseas. The CEO outlined the company's vision for the future. The company has a strong reputation for customer service. The company offers employees a comprehensive benefits package. She is a valuable asset to the company. He has been with the company for over 20 years. The company is a leader in its industry. The company is dedicated to innovation. So, to recap, company is an A1 level noun that means either being with someone or a business. We explored synonyms like companionship, friendship, fellowship, firm, corporation, and enterprise, and antonyms like solitude, isolation, and loneliness. We also looked at how company is used in various contexts, from enjoying someone's presence to discussing business performance. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn English too. Now, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word company and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to read your creative examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.